Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize title package management with SoftPro, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing title package management with SoftPro, open the SoftPro application on your computer. Log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings menu located in the top navigation bar. From the settings menu, select Title Package Management. In the Title Package Management section, click on Ensure you have the necessary permissions to proceed. Select the workflow you wish to authorize. After selecting the workflow, click on the Authorize button. A pop-up window will appear for you to confirm the authorization. Review the details in the pop-up window carefully. If everything appears correct, click Confirm. The system will process your authorization request. Once complete, you will receive a confirmation message. If there are any issues, the system will display an error message. Review any error messages carefully to resolve any problems. After successful authorization, return to the Title Package Management main screen. You should now see your newly authorized workflow listed. Take a moment to review all authorized workflows for accuracy. Ensure that you log out of the SoftPro application after finishing your tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.